Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman. Now, one of the great upgrades that any homeowner can do to their home is apply a fresh coat of paint. Now, I've got 4 products today that'll make that job a whole lot easier. Let's check them out. Here we have Venom Steel Rip-Resistant Gloves. Now, we at Family Handyman just got done with a really big project, and we used these throughout, and we found that they were really tough and rugged and didn't break for us at all. They're made of 2 layers. The inside layer is white and the outside layer is black. When the black layer got ripped, that white layer showed through, we could tell, toss them out, got a new pair. But what was great about these is we could use them multiple days in a row and they didn't fail. They're super tough. They are latex free. They got these nice, this texture on the glove as well for good grip. You can find these at Home Depot. A pack of 100 count will cost you $19. Remember, that is the Venom Steel Rip-Resistant Gloves. Now here we have Behr's Marquee Paint. Now we're not talking about the paint, rather the simple pour can lid that comes with the Behr paint now. Now before, when we had the old paint lids, you'd take the lid off and you pour it into a tray and the paint would fill the groove that the lid went into, making it really hard to replace the lid. Now Behr came up with this really cool system that's got a cap on instead. All you have to do is remove the cap, replace it with the spout, and you have drip-free pours as you're trying to fill your trays up. Then you can just remove the lid and replace the cap, and it'll keep your paint nice and fresh still. Now these are only on the Behr Marquee paints for now, and you can get this paint at Home Depot for about $40. Remember, that's the Behr's Simple Pour Paint Can Lid. Now here we have the Handy Paint Pail, and this is a great tool for those doing any touch-ups, painting trim, or cutting into the corners before they roll an entire room. It's got some really great features that I like, including this magnet right here that will hold a brush and keep it from falling all the way into the paint, and it makes cleaning the brush a lot easier when you don't have to clean paint from the ferrule here. It also has this really great handle. You don't have to carry around a gallon of paint anymore. Just put what you need inside the pail and you can carry it around with this handle, and it is adjustable so it fits many different hand sizes. Handy Pail also makes liners, so you can clean these or you can just toss them away, make cleaning up super simple. The Handy Paint Pail runs about $10. You can find them on Amazon. That is the Handy Paint Pail. Now here we have the Purdy Brush and Roller Spinner. Now this is a really great tool to clean all of the paint tools that you are using. A roller, all you gotta do is put it on just like you would a roller frame, spin the extra paint out into an empty bucket, then rinse it off into some water. When it's nice and clean, spin it again to remove the extra water and it's ready to go. Now with a brush, it's a very similar process. Put the brush inside the spinner, spin off the extra paint, then clean it in the sink, and then again, you can spin it dry and it's ready to use a lot faster. Now this is found on Amazon for about $27. Remember, that is the Purdy Brush and Roller Spinner. So there you have it, 4 painting products that'll make your next paint job a whole lot easier and easy to clean up. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. So we'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.